In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Mobirise label from your site's HTML in Mobirise. If you want your website to look polished and professional, removing auto-inserted branding from the generated code is a smart move. This setting helps ensure your pages don't include extra generator tags or comments that reference the builder, keeping your source code clean and on-brand. Start by opening the Mobirise application and logging into your account. Being signed in is important because it lets the app load your profile preferences and ensures that changes you make in settings apply consistently across your projects. If you've been working offline, take a moment to connect so the app can sync your account details. Once you're in, look for the main menu. You'll typically find this as a menu icon near the top of the interface. Click it to open the panel with your core options. From there, select Account. This area holds everything tied to your profile and license, as well as the application-wide preferences that affect how Mobirise behaves. Inside the Account section, click on App Settings. These are global settings for the app itself, not just a single project. It's easy to confuse app settings with project or site settings, but app settings control how Mobirise generates files and handles features across the entire application. In the App Settings panel, find the option labeled Remove Mobirise from HTML. Make sure this option is checked or toggled on. When enabled, Mobirise will stop inserting its branding into the code it outputs. This typically covers generator meta tags, comments, or similar references that otherwise appear in the final HTML. If the option is already enabled, you're all set. There's nothing more to change here. Most versions of Mobirise save this preference automatically, so you shouldn't need to click anything else. If you do see a visible confirmation or apply button in your version of the app, you can confirm the change, but in many cases, the setting takes effect as soon as you toggle it. From now on, your HTML output will be cleaner and better aligned with your brand presentation. That's the entire process. To recap, log in, open the menu, go to Account, open App Settings, and ensure the Remove Mobirise from HTML option is enabled. This small adjustment helps keep your code tidy and professional without changing how your site looks or works. If you manage multiple projects, remember that this is an app-level preference, so you won't need to repeat it for each site. You're ready